Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and scroll down in order to find general management. Right here we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options connected with a date and time, but we cannot set it manually. It is because we are using automatic date, time and time zone. They are network provided. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And as you can see right now, we can freely tap on date and from the calendar, pick the date we want to use. Tap on done, of course. Right here, we've got the time option. So here, just by swiping, we can change the time. It will be also immediately applied to the status bar. The time zone, the same situation, just tap on it. You will be transferred to this section with available regions. So just find one and tap on it. For example, this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone manually, that time will also change according to it. Here you've got the clock format option. Normally, we will have the 24-hour format option set, I believe. If you want to use 12-hour format, nothing easier, just turn off this option and it will also be immediately applied. So this is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switches. So basically that's all. This is how to set the date and time in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.